Hi, everybody. The top three questions I get asked are: one, how do people actually view Givz and interact with Givz once I put it on my site? Two, how do I promote it? And three, how do I set it up? Is it easy? So I wanted to make a very quick video to answer those three questions. I'll take them in order. First, a very quick spiel as to what we do. We see two huge trends happening in e-commerce these days. First, brands are trying to get away from discounts as much as possible, but still drive that bump in sales. And two, totally separately, consumers are demanding some sort of purpose-driven activity from brands. So when you have customers that care about a whole range of different things, how do you genuinely and authentically let them know that you care about what they care about? Givz sits at the nexus of those two trends, allowing you to run donation-based incentives as quickly as setting up a discount. So if you can set up a discount within Shopify, same amount of time it would take to set up a donation-based incentive within the Givz app. So let's start at the beginning. How do you promote this? So here's an example from Lolly Beauty, one of our clients, where they say, we're donating 10% of all sales. And they put that in their top banner. They always have it there. They also have a module at the bottom of their website that lets people know, hey, we're donating 10% on every purchase. What you don't see here are also emails, social posts, as well as even ads. Some of our customers are finding that ads that have the Givz messaging perform actually better than their regular ads. So what does the customer see? The customer goes through and purchases as totally normal. We don't add any clicks ahead of checkout. And after they purchase, so let's say it was 10% of the subtotal, they're now getting $14.99 to give to a charity of their choice. As the brand, you get to highlight which charities you care about most. So if you have partnerships with any charities or you care about certain charities, you can highlight them here. We can also work with you to, given your audience, suggest some really top trending charities here. We see about a 25 to 35% engagement with this. So giving away $15 actually only costs somewhere around $5 or less. So that's an important piece to cover here. But also, when somebody goes into the search bar, they could type in any charity. Let's say they have a family member at Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center. They could donate their $14.99 there. But let's just say they picked Bent on Learning. They donate. They actually will receive a thank you for supporting Bent on Learning receipt or confirmation email, where they tell you that the donor is actually the brand, but they were not charged for this. They were, they cannot write it off on their taxes, but the $10 will get to Bent on Learning in the next 30 to 45 days. And then lastly, how does and importantly, that closed loop is something that consumers really like. And then how do you set it up? So as I said, you can set up as simple as setting up a discount. You install the Givz donation-driven marketing app. You have these 4 qualifying conditions that you can choose from, apply it to all orders. You can set a minimum spend threshold to try to increase average order value. You could even use it on specific products or discount codes. Always, you could do a percentage of subtotal or a fixed amount. You could do something like spend $100, get $20 to give to a charity of your choice, and then turn it on.